Welcome to BKSilicone Inc. Limited video. This video is how to make the green cement pot. First, weigh the cement water and accelerator according to 100:40:1 by weight. If possible, add more water to make the operation more convenience. Second, stir evenly, then pouring the mixture into the mold. Third, after pouring, shake the mold to remove the bubbles to make the finished products more beautiful. Fourth, add the dry cement to accelerate the curing time after 10 minutes. Fifth, remove the mold after 8 to 24 hours. Sixth, using more than 400 mesh sandpaper bottom sanding.